but you don't need to trick people. Like red light therapy, you've already naturally probably talked about it a couple times, and it's been this big topic. Andrew Huberman and all these other people are starting to get on board. I think Joe Rogan mentioned it on some podcasts recently, so it's getting more and more traction. And the key is to educate the consumer first, and then really let them make their own decisions to find what they need.
Yeah, and I like what you said there. I mean, it was just yesterday, I was having a conversation with my son and how people just catch a video, young or old, and they just because they see it on the internet, I thought we were past this, but apparently not, where people just don't do their due diligence or research. And especially with the world of AI, facial everything, and audio now. And this is, you mentioned, some names there. And that was the thing. My son comes home, share the story, and I did some research, and I was like, well, this isn't true. And the story is, and I don't know if you all have heard this, again, this is off topic, but it's why we got to do our research, and I'm grateful for this. But even question him if you don't feel sure, but you need to start looking at different sources and not just take everything for face value, especially when you're putting your money on. But this is about some lake in Russia. Maybe you've heard this story, and they use Joe Rogan's voice, and it's not real, to say that there's some lake monster in there from all the toxic waste that was dumped in there for 29 years from this factory that was built in Russia. And now there was some lake eel that was the size of, it sounds like some prehistoric animal that ripped this dude apart. And my son's I couldn't convince him otherwise till I had to find a video that was disproving this thing. But there's videos all over the internet of that it's truthful. And it's amazing how people just reshare and never looks, and people just believe it. And you think that why would somebody make that in the first place? Who knows?